Hi, I'm glad to see you in Kobelco-Knowledge. Do you clean your excavator air filter for air conditioner these days? Is the way you do it correct? Today we will clean the air conditioner. The air filter is responsible for filtering the air inside the cabin and trapping dust to prevent these impurities from passing into the passenger compartment and accumulating, causing clogging of the evaporator panel of the air conditioning unit, which make the air conditioner not cold. The air conditioner filter is installed in the cabin behind the seat. At first, visually check whether the air conditioner filter is damaged or torn. If the filter is found to be damaged, replace it with a new filter. The fresh air filter and the recirculation air filter will be cleaned as well. We remove the filter and blowing compressed air on both parts. For the fresh air filter, we remove the filter at the left rear side of the operation seat and blowing compressed air, then put it back to the same position. For the recirculation air filter, we will do same, the fresh air filter, but have to remove top of cover filter at the left rear side of the operation seat and blowing compressed air, then put it back to the same position. Cleaning the filter can be done easily and can help extend the life of the evaporator. This keeps the air circulating in the cabin clean and cool while working. You can upkeep fresh condition of your excavator referring to our video, and it will be enhancing the productivity. We will continue to provide the video so that you can love our excavator for a long time. Please follow our YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram for not overlooking, and see you again in the next Kobelco Knowledge video. Always use Kobelco genuine parts to maximize machine efficiency and last long machine lifetime.